Happy Halloween.
What are you guys doing?
Alright, Cheshire Cafe has your cold brew.
Oh, okay. So it's back that way.
Cosmic Rays has the spiced chicken sandwich, the Snarling Sub, the Zombie Fingers, and the River Styx elixir.
Okay.
And the Friars Nook has...
Time to trick or treat. Nikki's not so sweet party has begun.
All right. You ready?
Oh, this is so exciting. Hello, everybody. I'm Lady Carlotta. Say hi, Carlotta. Hi, beautiful. Hudsonville, sure. Of course. We've all heard of Hudsonville. Now, have you heard of Hudsonville, Derek?
No.
No. She's making you go. She's not. Oh, it's time for your tour. Oh, it's time for your tour. Go on in. And feel free then when you're done to talk to the guests. Derek's not even turning around. Don't you ghost me, Derek.
And watch your children.
All I know is see him up here. That's silly. All right. So we're about an hour in to the party, and we're stopping for our first special Mickey's Not So Scary food bite. So we got the bowl of bones. I think it's the piggy wings that have like a cherry coat glaze, and then we got the I don't remember what the name of the burger is. I'll put a picture up here. But we got the burger too, and then we're gonna go over to Tomorrowland and finish up dinner because I think there's a chicken sandwich we want there. But for now, we decided to stop to try these. We've gotten a few rides done since the party started, and yeah, bunch of trick or treating so far.
Steak with barbecue sauce? Yep.
Okay, I'll try that. Wait, does it have bones? You want this?
I can pull it off.
Just give me a bite.
Sorry, there's the bones in the middle, so just bite that tender.
Real tender.
I don't like Milky Way. I've never tried.
Because they're just like little baby ribs. Alright. Those piggy wings. The what was it? Bowl of bones?
Yeah,
So good. It was a little spicy. They just like they were essentially little baby ribs. So if you like ribs, you're probably gonna like it, and they're really tender ribs. But those were so good. I wish we hadn't gotten the burger because the burger was meh. But those ribs, so good. I want more. Honestly, we might come back for more.
I ate some of it, and then you poured some of it.
Who are you? What Disney princess are you? Oh, you're also, what about Sally back there? Okay, stop. You're Frozen, because Elsa's Frozen. What about you, cheerleaders? Rapunzel, and you just got a haircut. You know, I saw Rapunzel at Cuts by Us yesterday. She just got a haircut. And I want you guys to give yourself a round of applause.
Nope, not yet. Oh my gosh, it's Hades! Oh! That's right.
Onward.
Let's go!
song though.
Yeah, it's your recital song.
Come and inspire with devious plots. A desire for pearls all covered in spots.
Yeah? Just see water.
We invite and compel here a slithering sweet with a sorcerer's power to give but not take.
Look at that. They're all up there.
scoop though. All right, we going?
Yeah. Taxi.
It's like down there a bit.
All right, just got the Witch's cold brew to try. It's pretty much a pumpkin cream cold brew, but it has sprinkles on it. And it's 11 o'clock, so hopefully this doesn't keep me up too late.
Ivy, you're good, hon.
Yeah, that's okay. We still saw it. No, it's just time for the mass. Oh,
You gonna get that up there?
yeah, the mass exodus. See you real soon.